You still thinking about the anaconda?
Every choice leaves a shadow.
Then make sure it points toward light.
You sound like Lara.
Sector 12, 2 clicks west of the ridge. Dense terrain.
Motion sensors shatterings. Not snake-like, not mammal either.
Visibility's down to 20 feet. Feels like a horror movie.
Keep your focus.
Keep your focus, not your jokes.
Tell me that's not another anaconda!
No! The body temperature's too high. Whatever it is, it's warm-blooded.
It's watching us.
Nobody fires unless I say so.
These prints aren't reptilian.
The pressure pattern suggests a biped.
So, we're talking 2 legs? Like human?
Not human. It's above us! I saw wings! Wings! That's impossible!
Not if it's the missing species from the 98 expedition report.
Tell me those aren't eyes.
Thermals confirm it. Whatever it is, it's watching us.
Then why hasn't it attacked yet? Because it's smart. Smarter than we thought.
Everyone down! Keep eyes on it! What the hell is that thing?
It's not in any database. This thing's undocumented.
Just don't become its first meal.
That thing moved like it knew our plan.
It's not just instinct.
It's
DNA
strategy.
residues highest. Reptile and some...
Now! Hit it again!
It's down. Barely.
Vitals are dropping. Trank successful.
We've just captured the impossible.
Pulse steady. It's alive.
Alive and heavier than our truck. Look at those eyes. Intelligence, curiosity.
Then let's move before curiosity turns into rage.
Remind me why we didn't leave it there?
Because discovery rewrites history. If it wakes up, it'll rewrite us.
Eyes forward. Muggy base is 15 minutes out.
Prepare neural scans of us. I want to see how this brain works.
Just make sure it does not think of eating us.
Vitals stable, sedation holds.
Sedation's wearing off.
That's not possible. Dose was triple. It's adapting. Its body chemistry's changing.
Brace for recontainment protocol.
Lock down every gate, now! It's breaking through the steel.
We'll lose the whole bay if it escapes.
Shield grid online. That was supposed to be unbreakable.
If this is evolution, we're behind schedule.
Its vitals stabilize the moment.
The serpent must die, so the winged one may rise. This was never about rescue, was it?
They used Muggy as a cover for hybridization experiments.
The anaconda was the first test subject.
And now it's evolved beyond their control.
It's reactivating. Why now?
Neural activity off the charts.
It's not dying. It's transforming. That's no animal anymore! It's transcending, merging biology with energy.
And if it keeps going?
Then the planet becomes its next host.
Everyone clear the sector. This base is compromised.
Power grid's failing. We'll lose containment in 2 minutes.
We can't leave it alive.
You're planning to walk that thing straight into the blast zone?
If that's what it takes.
You won't survive the pulse.
Neither will it.
Then I'm not letting you go alone.
This ends here.
Ethan, you will get fried. We are out of time.
In the heart of the Amazon, life thrives, but danger never sleeps.
In the eternal struggle of predator and prey, only the fastest survive.
We've got a distress call. A large constrictor spotted near the cattle fields.
Everyone, gear up! We move now! Thermal scan confirms movement. Large body mass near the creek bed.
That's our target. Everyone, eyes open and steady hands.
Positions. Nobody moves until I say.
I can see the calf's leg. It's still twitching.
Then we still have time.
Not much. Once it finishes swallowing, there's no coming back. I can see the calf's leg. It's still twitching.
It's coming straight for us! Fire! Fire now!
It's not going down. Dosage too low.
Noah, fall back! It's coming straight for us!
Fire! Fire now!
It's not going down. Dosage too low. Noah, fall back!
Noah, move!
It's defensive. Protect the head. That's the weak spot.
I've got a dart loaded with double sedative.
Lara, now!
Hit confirmed, but it is still strong.
Noah, move!
It's defensive. Protect the head. That's the weak spot. I've got a dart loaded with double set.
It's alive, but barely breathing. Noah, get it clear of the mud!
Snake's going down. Sedative's kicking.
Its grip's tightening again. We'll lose the calf.
Noah, grab that crowbar. Maya, keep its head distracted.
On it!
Come on, look at me, not the calf.
Careful, Maya. Don't get too close.
Just a little more. Come on, look at me, not the calf.
Careful, Maya. Don't get too close.
Just a little more.
Push.
Now! Almost there. It's breathing. We have a pulse.
Push.
Now! Almost there.
It's breathing. We have a pulse.
Not this time.
Sedation successful.
It's coming around. Aim for the head now.
Let's get the calf out before it wakes up.
All right, team, steady hands. We get the calf out and we move fast.
Copy that.
Safe here.
Sedative won't last long. Extraction point, 10 minutes.
The calf's heart rate is stabilizing.
Good thing we didn't stop.
We lost one creature to save another. Balance restored. Let's make sure this one gets home.
Load the calf carefully. Don't jostle it.
Oxygen flow steady. Vitals holding.
Boat's ready. Let's get out before the tide rises.
Copy that, moving.
Do you ever wonder why we keep doing this? Because if we don't, no one else.
Get me saline and antibiotics stat.
We made it, people. Great work.
That brown calf's tougher than it looks.
We did what we had to. Another life saved. That's all that matters.
Heart rate's improving. It's strong, really strong.
That little brown fighter just doesn't quit.
He made it through worse. He'll make it through this.
A predator struck, and we answered the call. We fought for life, not fame.
That brown calf is more than a survivor. It's...
You think that calf dreams of the jungle?
Maybe. Or maybe it dreams of freedom.
Look at that. He's standing. Told you he'd make it.
Balance restored. Another small victory for life.
Let's get him strong enough to go home.
Go on, little one. You're free now. He's going home.
We didn't just save an animal. We saved a story. Mission Serpent Dawn, complete. And the brown calf lives. That's all that counts.
Next time, maybe something smaller, like a lizard.
Every rescue changes us.
And every life we save echoes.
Still, I wouldn't mind a few less snakes.
Fear fades. Courage stays.
Look at him, walking like he owns the field.
He does. He earned that freedom.
Sometimes, letting go is the real rescue.
Sector 9, that's near the river bend. Motion sensors picked up something massive.
Don't tell me it's another snake. Whatever it is, someone might need us.
Stay sharp. This jungle always has one more secret.
We've handled worse.
Let's just hope it's not another anaconda. Hope, but be ready. Got it. Playback's corrupted, but wait, that's movement.
What movement?
Scales. Massive ones.
Everyone, stay sharp.
You've gotta be kidding me. It's the same one. I'm sure of it.
No sudden moves. We end this on our terms.
It's leaving?
No, it's retreating. Maybe it already ate. Noah, left flank fled now. Got it.
It's tail day. It's wrapping around the Jeep. It's over.
We did what we had to. It's over. We did what we had to. Now, everyone here, fire! Come on, go down already!
Keep your distance, Vay. Don't let it get close. It's finally over. We did what we had to.
Even monsters fall quiet when the Jihad's.
You'll live, Noah. Just bruises.
You call this just? I almost got wrapped into sushi. Humor means he'll be fine.
Save it, both of you. Let's get home.
Never thought I'd be happy to see this base again.
That's what surviving does to you. The data from this will rewrite everything we know about alpha predators.
Then let's make sure it means something.
Every mission takes something, but gives us more to fight for.
The brown calf lived because we didn't stop.
He looks stronger every day.
He's proof that even after darkness, life finds its way.
Looks peaceful again.
Hard to believe what happened there.
The jungle heals itself when we let it. Let's make sure it stays that way.
You sure this one won't bite?
He's a baby, Noah.
Not a snake.
His recovery rate's remarkable.
Because he had people who didn't give up.
We face the wild not as enemies, but as protectors.